Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the general properties of hydrides. Firstly, already we discussed about the formation of hydrides and the formation of oxides of group 13 elements. And in this lecture, we discuss about the general properties of hydrides. What are the general properties? The general properties first is the boiling points. That is the boiling point of the trihydrides of group 15 elements. Group 15 elements, as we move down in groups, the normally high boiling point of ammonia, and is due to the association of its molecule through the hydrogen bonding. Due to the hydrogen bonding, the boiling point is goes on decreasing, and down a group the boiling point is increases. The abnormally high boiling point of ammonia is occurred due to the association of its molecules through the hydrogen bonds. Then we discuss about the basic character. What are the basic characters of the these elements? All the trihydrides of have one lone pair of electrons is present on the central atom. Group 15 elements, all the trihydrides of have the one lone pair which contains the two electrons on the central atoms, and therefore the VOs lies a Lewis basis which can donate a pair of electrons. On going down a group, that is the basic character of these hydrides are decreases. Basic character of these hydrides are decreases down a group 15 elements. Then these are the 2 points, that is the discuss boiling point and basic character. Another point is that is the thermal stability. What are the thermal stability of group 15 elements? The thermal stability of trihydrides decreases on move from a down a group. That is ammonia, NH3 and trihydrobismuth. This because as we go down a group, the size of the central atom is increases, and therefore its tendency to form stable covalent bond with comparatively small hydrogen bond decreases. That is, along a group, the continuously atomic size is increases due to the increase in number of cells, and the stability of the covalent bond is also comparatively increases. Consequently, the strength of metal hydride bond, and hence the thermal stability goes on decreasing as we move from the nitrogen to bismuth. Nitrogen, that is the ammonia to bismuth trihydrides. Then next properties of hydride is reducing character. What are the reducing characters of group 15 elements? With progressive decrease in stability. Stability is continuously decreases, and the reducing character of the trihydride is increases as we move down a group from top to bottom. That is, the stability is decreases and the reducing character is increases. Trihydrides, reducing character of the trihydride is increases down a group. Then the next point, that is the properties of the hydride of group 15 element, formation of the complexes. Aqueous ammonia forms the stable complex ion with many cations, notably of the transition metals, that is the silver positive ions, first oxidation state, and the copper second plus 2 oxidation state, cadmium plus 2 oxidation state, and the silver plus is reacted with the two molecules of ammonia, then the formation of the silver diammonium, diammonium silver. The compared with ammonia, other have less tendency to form the complexes. Then we discuss about the precipitation of the metals from their aqueous salt solution. This is the another properties of hydrides. The how the precipitation of the metals from their aqueous salt solution. Ammonia precipitate heavy metal as hydride, phosphine, arsine, and stibine and bismuth and precipitate the metals such as the silver, copper, etc. as the phosphides, arsenides, antimonites, and bismuthides, respectively. These are the precipitations of the metals, their aqueous precipitation of metals from their aqueous salt solutions are formed, and this is the another property of the hydrides. Copper sulfate, 3 molecules of copper sulfate is reacted with the trihydride phosphorus, 2 molecules of trihydride phosphorus, then the formation of precipitation, that is copper, 3 molecules of the copper and dimolecules of the phosphorus, that is the diphosphorus cuprate diphosphorus. So this is the formation of precipitation formation, and the 3 molecules of sulfuric acid, that is the H2SO4. Then the 3 molecules of silver nitrate is reacted with the arsenides, hydrides of arsenide is then the formation of 3 molecules of silver Ag3Sba antimoniums. This is the precipitation is formed plus 3 molecules of NHO3. So this is the precipitation of metals from their aqueous salt solutions, and these are the general properties of the hydrides of group 15 elements. Then trioxides of oxides of group 15 element. Aluminum of element group 15 elements are capable of forming the trioxides, and the pentaoxides of these general formula, that is the diammonium trioxide and diammonium, that is the aluminum trioxides and pentaoxides are formed the group 15 element. Then next property is the trioxides of nitrogen atom, that is the diammonium trioxide, dinitrogen trioxide, that is N2O3, exists purely only in the solid state at lower temperature, and it is best obtained by the interactions of the stoichiometric quantities of NO, that is nitrogen oxide, and the nitrogen dioxide on cooling, such as mixture of below 20 degrees Celsius, a blue liquid, that is the diammonium trioxide, is obtained. N2O3 is obtained. Then the phosphorus trioxides exist as a dimer, that is 2 molecules of the phosphorus trioxides, and is formulated by the P4O3. It is prepared by the combustions of white phosphorus is limited in the supply of air when both P4O6 and P4 formed. Trioxides of arsenic, antimony and bismuth are obtained by the direct reactions of the metal with oxygen formed, that is amphoteric, while that the bismuth is basic in character. That is antimony is amphoteric, it means that the acidic as well as the basic characters are shows, while the bismuth is which shows the basic character. Pentaoxides of nitrogen pentoxide, that is the dinitrogen pentoxide, is prepared by the dehydrations of the HNO3 nitric acids, and with the phosphorus pentoxide, the mixture of HNO3 and phosphorus pentoxides P2O5 is distilled in all glass apparatus in the presence of ozonide oxygen. Then the phosphorus pentoxide P4O10 is obtained by the burning of phosphorus in free supply of air oxygen. The pentoxide is purified by the sublimation at the 360 degrees Celsius. Arsenic pentoxides and antimony pentoxides are obtained by the oxidation of the metal is concentrated at the nitric acids. Other oxides, that is the nitrogen, phosphorus, antimony and bismuth, are also dioxides of general formula, that is the RO2. Among these, most thoroughly studied, best understood by the dioxides of nitrogens. So these are the very cool properties, general properties of the hydride. First is the boiling point, and then the basic characters. Third is the thermal stability, of the group 15 element. Then next, reducing character, formation of the complexes, precipitation of the metal from their aqueous salt solution, and then oxides, how the oxides are formed, and trioxides, that is the nitrogen trioxides, phosphorus trioxides, then pentoxide, nitrogen pentoxides, then phosphorus pentoxides. So these are the properties of the hydrides of group 15 elements.